In this video, I want to introduce to you how to make a flip video post. It used to be called Flipgrid. The new name is Flip. So for Flip or Flipgrid assignments, you will make a video where you talk about a topic that I give you. The first thing you always want to do is read the assignment details so you know what to talk about, you know the instructions, and it's always really important to look at how long the video needs to be. In this example, it says 1 to 2 minutes, so you know that your minimum must be at least 1 minute long and up to 2 minutes. That's important. These instructions also say please don't read on camera. It really makes your video more interesting when you speak naturally. When you're reading, your voice sounds very boring and monotone. So even if you're worried that it won't be perfect, it's usually a much better video if you don't read on camera. So you're going to come down to the Flipgrid assignment and find the button that says record. When you press the button, it takes a moment, but soon you will see your face in the box here. Next, you can come down and you press the button in the middle. Please use the video setting. Okay. So at this time, you're going to talk about the topic that is given to you, and you can see the amount of time here at the top. When you're finished, you can hit the same button again to stop. Notice on the corner here it says retake, so if you made a mistake or you don't like the video, you can start over. If you like the video, go ahead and click next. So at this time, you're going to talk about the topic that is given. So here you can watch your video and make sure you like it. Again, you have the opportunity to go back and redo it. I'm going to move forward by clicking next. Here you can add a caption if you want to. But it's not necessary. I'm just going to click Post to Topic. So after I see that explosion celebration, that means that my video is complete. And so next you should see a little picture of your video down below the record button. So the first step of this assignment is done. Now, usually when you do a Flipgrid video assignment, the first part is to make your own video, and the second part is to reply to your classmates. In this example, it says, watch your classmate's video. Who has the same opinion as you? Give them a like. You don't need to make a video reply, but you can if you want to. And in the future, I will ask you to do some video replies. So I'll show you how to do that now. So you will see all your classmates' faces here. Let me show you a different example. Here's an example from another class of mine, and you can see all the different classmates here. So imagine that I want to reply here to this student. I'll open his video.
Hello everybody.
And I will listen to his video. Here I can easily like it by giving a heart. And then when I want to reply to his video, I stay inside here and I click this record button. So that will make a comment that goes to him. I wait until I can see myself. I click the button again, same thing. It counts me out 3, 2, 1. Then I say, hi Thomas, I really liked your video. I agree with your opinion because blah, blah, blah. And I thought it was really interesting when you said blah, blah, blah. I also have an experience with that, blah, blah, blah. And when I'm done, I do the same thing. I stop, I click next. I can, I can watch my video if I want to. I can click next and post. And I should see the little celebration. That's your introduction on how to make flip videos for this class.